माविन गुदिनोन कॅप्टन विरियातो संदर्भात केल्ल्या विधानाचो दिनेश गुंडूराव हांच्यांनी निषेध केला. तशेंच माविनान चूक मागची म्हण दिनेश गुंडूराव हांच्यांनी मागणी केल्या. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
I would like to make a statement on what the Bharatiya Janata Party candidate from Dabolim, minister in the government, has made on the Congress candidate and also made a direct attack on the people who are part of the defense forces, who serve the nation in uniform and who sacrifice their lives. It was a completely unwarranted, unprovoked attack, and his statements that he has made, Mr. Mauvin on our candidate Captain Viriato, reflects his mindset and the pretense that the Bharatiya Janata Party has about being a nationalistic party. Making such low remarks, cheap remarks about a candidate and indirectly also in a way insulting people who have served for the nation, who are serving for the nation, who are sacrificing their lives, wearing the uniform with great pride, and making such kind of remarks is completely unacceptable, condemnable, and I am hoping that the Bharatiya Janata Party will take serious objection and serious action on this person. Because someone who can insult a person who has worked for the country in the defense forces, he's been a captain in the Navy, and calling him someone who is working in a canteen and doing small time work and insulting his service is not just an insult to Captain Viriato, but I think to every Goan, because Goa is known for people joining the armed forces. Goa is known for many people serving this nation with great pride, and these kind of remarks by a person who has amassed wealth, who is one of the most corrupt ministers in the BJP, talking about a person who has served for the country, come back to Goa, serving the people of Goa, fighting for the rights of the Goan people, doing his best in a very principled manner to see that justice is done to Goa. Making these kind of remarks, it shows what kind of a person he is and what kind of a party he represents. So, I condemn it and I demand that the Bharatiya Janata Party takes serious action on their candidate and reprimands him. And he, Mr. Mauvin, I demand from him also apology